Modi-led Indian regime has invoked draconian laws, the Public Safety Act and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act against 5 innocent Kashmiris in Kishtwar district over a protest against the exploitation of the local water resources by the India-based National Hydroelectric Power Corporation. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti, in a statement in Srinagar, expressed deep concern over the use of these laws, condemning the move as an excessive response to the peaceful dissent. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has raised serious concern over the prolonged and illegal detention of its leader Shabir Ahmad Shah and other Hurriyat leaders, calling for the global intervention to secure the release of the Kashmiri prisoners languishing in the Indian jails. In a statement issued in Srinagar today, DFP spokesman Advocate Arshad Iqbal highlighted the dire conditions faced by the hundreds of the Kashmiris imprisoned far from their homes in facilities, unfavorable climates, and the lack of the essential amenities. National Conference MLA from Hazratbal, Srinagar, Salman Sagar has voiced concerns over newly implemented reservation policy in occupied Kashmir. Sagar, in his assembly speech in Srinagar, called the policy flawed and urged immediate reforms to ensure fairness for open merit and various population groups. A condolence reference was held in Islamabad to honor the late Maulana Abbas Ansari, former chairman of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and founder chairman of Ittihadul Muslimin Jammu and Kashmir, on the occasion of his death anniversary. The event was organized by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter at its office in Islamabad. Canada has banned Australia Today's social media accounts after the outlet broadcasted Indian External Affairs Minister Jaishankar's joint press conference with the Australian Foreign Minister Penny Wong held this week. This move came shortly after Jaishankar's critical remarks against Canada during the press conference.